Hey guys, welcome to this video review about the CarboFire. My name is Olivia, and if you're tired of trying diet exercises and nothing's working for you to lose weight, CarboFire may help you guys. I'm here to share with you all the complete information about it and also an alert that you must know before actually purchase it. And then by the end of this video, you will be able to decide if the supplement is really for you or not. Okay? If you watch the video until the end and just you want to know more information about it, I really decide to purchase it. The link for the official website will be left just below in the description box of my video. But let's go to the video, guys. Well, you know that losing weight is not an easy task. Let me tell you why. A lot of supplements and medicines, they don't work for you, or even exercises and diets. Okay, there is a new root cause that scientists discovered that is causing the weight gaining on people, which is the low-level alleles of the enzyme called AMPK. They found high levels of these NZ and SL people. That's what they have in common, because these enzyme is responsible for helping your body to burn out fat more easily. Okay, so they created this new formula, which is the CarboFire, that will boost the production of this enzyme, making you lose weight. All right, guys. So you can see on the official website people's testimonials about it, because lots of people have been losing weight and in a natural and healthy way, because the CarboFire is completely natural. It's a blend of vitamins, essential nutrients, planted herb extract that together they will increase the levels of the AMPK enzyme, but also increase your energy levels. It will fasten your metabolism, give you more sati, so tons of benefits that all together will give you the perfect body. Okay, you just have to remember to take it every single day to see this results. The minimal treatment is of 3 months, but I recommend you guys to do the complete treatment of 6 months. Okay, besides all of these benefits, the producer even offers the many bee guarantees. So you can actually test the CarboFire, and if you don't like or don't see results, they return 100% of your money back, so you will literally have nothing to lose here. My only alert is where you're going to buy this supplement, because it is only sold on the official website. It's not possible to purchase it in drugstores or other website. So be very careful with that. That's why I left you the link just below in the description box of my video. This is the only place you can buy the original CarbonFire from nowhere else, guys. So keep that information in mind. Also, on the official website is the place you can check the complete information about it. See people's testimonials completely of ingredients in by the original product. So now that you've finished watching this video, go there and check it out. Thank you so much, and see you guys.